Hey guys, this is Snowstorm 2020. Man, there's a lot of snow here. Not really, actually. I'll do part 2 when it gets more snowy. If we can get 6 likes, I'll do it. See, look at that snow. Hey, Mom. Hi. I have a little sample of the snow.
Did you put them on the bed?
Yeah. Mom, I have a sample of the snow.
Snow.
Wait, the puppy's in the toxic room.
Oh, okay, get out of the toxic room. I'm looking for a...
See, this is a sample
shoes.
of 2020 snow. It's melting.
Good, okay.
I think we should wait a little before we go outside.
Too late. It's already dead.
I mean, just like really play outside because it's not snow. It's not that much snow.
I just wanted to make a YouTube video about the snow so far.
Okay, I'm gonna kick you in that snow.
Okay. Yeah, let's just get out of here first. But now let's just get out of there. I think this is gonna find that room. We're gonna release the gaming videos soon. So I hope you enjoy that. We'll do this, and we'll do part 2 later today. Bye.